Hey everybody! Ooh, wait, hold on. Hey everyone! Why am I not on the camera? Hey YouTube! It's AG Dolls and friends back with another video for you guys. So, today we're going to be testing out this slime kit. It is called Super Slime Surprises. It retails for 99 cents at Target. And it says, pour, mix, color, slime, stretch, squeeze. Okay. And this is what the packaging looks like in the back. This is the front. And it says it does not have any food coloring whatsoever, as you could see, or anything to color the slime. But I see it has glitter right here and like little add-ins. So I have markers, so when the slime's done, we can color it. And I don't know if we're going to have much containers, so I have this container right here just in case. But yeah, I have some homemade slime right here that I'm going to like versus to see which one's better. So yeah, so it says instructions right here. Pour glue into the container provided. Glue is white. It says glue is white, okay. Add color. Guys, look. It legitimately right here says add color. Like, I don't know if you guys saw that, but it says add color. There is no color in this slime kit. Add blue stuff, slime. I'm guessing this is the blue stuff, or I don't really know, but the instructions aren't really good, so I'm just going to make the slime my way, the way that I would make it. Like, because the instructions aren't good, but I'm going to just try to follow them. Okay, so I'm going to open this packaging right here. So in this slime kit, we get 3 little add-ins. This little blue bunny thing. This gray bunny. Focus. And this pink unicorn. I saw somebody do a review on this, and there's supposed to be a yellow unicorn, but I don't have a yellow unicorn. It's supposed to be the 2 bunnies and then 2 unicorns, but I don't have a unicorn, so like, yeah. So next we have a container. I guess this is to store the slime. Next we have a mixing bowl, I'm guessing. And guys, look at this. This mixing bowl is like dirty. Like, look, I don't know if you guys could see that, but like, look. Like right there, there's like little specks of like right there. Like there's like little specks of like dirtiness. I don't know why, but yeah. But guys, look at my hands. Look at what happened to them. So like I was doing this thing where we would like play with food color, and it was like a challenge. And one of the challenges was take food coloring and put it all over your hands and don't wash your hands for an hour. And then this happened. Doctor said that it would just go away the next day. So that was like, I did this morning, and I went to doctor this morning. So like, yeah. BCW, I'm doing this on a tray. Always do stuff on trays. Next we have this blue glitter. So we get glitter, but we don't get color, food coloring. Like, that's really rare for them to put glitter in a slime package. Not slime package, in the slime kit. And the slime kit's from Target, not package. We get this really cute unicorn spoon. And we use it to like just mix. I think that's really cool and cute. Next we have this blue stuff, and it smells kind of like Tide. I mean, like, they can't just put Tide, but this blue stuff says the instructions. And then here's the white stuff, which is apparently the glue. And look at the glue. Look, it's like clear and white. I think this is clear glue and white glue. But look, the container is also like dirty. So that's some point minus. So yeah. So the instructions weren't really much help. So I'm just gonna like figure out. So guys, I've been doing some figuring out, and I figured out that the instructions on mine, that's just how they are. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to just make glossy white slime with glitters in it, and you're supposed to put an add-in, and the next day it should color change. So, but I'm not really gonna do that because like the YouTuber said that when they did it, it didn't color change. So like I'm just gonna make a pink slime. I don't really know, I'm just here to test this out. So you try to follow the instructions. The instruction says pour glue into the container. So I guess this is the container provided, and I guess that's the container you store it in. So I'm going to come back once I've poured the glue, add color, glitter, and the activator, and I'm going to come back once I've done that. So guys, I'm back, and I added the glue and the glitter. So this is like what it looks like. Like, I can't really show you guys without spilling, but that's the slime. So like it's really pretty. Like look, I'm gonna try to do a close-up. Like that's what it looks like. Sorry if this video is so bad, it's just that I'm not a really good YouTuber. So yeah. Now it says to add blue stuff and then slime. Look. Add blue stuff, slime. I guess what I was trying to say is like add the blue stuff slowly, and then it's supposed to like slime or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm just gonna add the blue stuff in slowly until it slimes, and I'm gonna come back, then I'm gonna like rate the slime and stuff. So guys, this slime, it's not really the best. I mean, like, I can't fully show you guys because like my camera view, but it's not the best. It's like really sticky and it won't activate for some reason. So like because of those purposes, it's really bad slime. But like, oh my gosh. But like, here is the slime. Like, it makes some polka looks. Oh my gosh. So yeah guys, I have to say overall, this slime kit was like a big, humongous, big fat fail. It's like not even slime, it's like putty-ish. So like I would give this slime kit a 0 out of like 10. So like this slime kit was a big fat fail. And also you guys, this was just a skit. I actually made all of this stuff, and this stuff was actually glue and stuff, and I didn't activate the slime fully just so I could pretend that it's bad, but this was just a skit, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little skit, and if you want me to do some more, please comment down below. And I know I didn't do everything I said I would do in this video, like I didn't like versus it, and like I didn't color it yet. But, like, I just have to tell you guys. I think you guys already knew. But, like, I just wanted to. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see y'all big slimy next time. Wait, no. Guys, so I'm thinking of what I should say for my outro. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give a big slimy thumbs up. And don't forget to slimy subscribe. hit that slimy subscribe button super hard that you get slime everywhere. Wink, wink. Okay, that's the worst outro ever. But leave in the comments below if you want me to do some, tell me some outros that I could do. So I'll see you all next time. Good.